Hi there! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up a no-return discount campaign with the Kiwi Return Saver app. This feature lets you offer customers a discount when they choose to skip returns. A simple way to reduce return costs while keeping more revenue in your store. We'll go step by step together, so by the end, you'll have everything set up and running smoothly. Let's start by getting the app installed on your Shopify store. Go ahead and open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type in Kiwi Return Saver. Once you see it pop up, click on it, and then hit Install to add it to your store. After the installation is complete, the app will automatically open and take you straight to the Return Saver dashboard, so we're ready to move on. Let's start with the fun part, building your first campaign. From your dashboard, you can start creating a campaign by either opening the Discount Campaigns page or clicking the Create Campaign button at the top. Once you're on the campaign creation page, begin by giving your campaign a name. This is just for your own use, so go with whatever helps you stay organized. For example, I'm going to create an apparel discount. You can also choose a launch date if you want the campaign to start later. That part's totally optional. Next, pick the type of discount you want to offer. You can go with a percentage off or a fixed dollar amount, whichever works better for your pricing. Then, enter the discount value. Once that's set, scroll down to the Discount Display section. This is where you control how the offer shows up for your customers. You can customize the badge text to match your offer. For example, you might write something like Final Sale or Get 10% off. Then choose colors that align with your brand and help the badge stand out. Finally, add a short message that clearly explains the offer to help customers understand what they're opting into before checkout. As you edit these settings, you'll see the preview update in real time so you can check how everything looks before going live. And if you ever need help along the way, there's a help panel below that with direct links to our help center and support chat, so we're always just a click away. When everything looks the way you want, we can move on to the next step, which is choosing which products it should apply to. Do this by simply clicking the Next Step button. From here, click either Add from Collection to select products from an existing collection on your store, or select individual products. This will open a pop-up where you can browse and choose the items you want the discount to apply to. Go ahead and make your selections, then click Add. Once everything loads, you'll see a list of the products where Return Saver will be active. Before we activate the campaign, let's make sure the discount badge actually shows up on your store. Back in the dashboard, look at the onboarding steps and click on the second step. This will take you straight to Shopify's theme editor. In the theme editor, find the Kiwi Return Saver app embeds, toggle them on, and then click Save in the top right corner. This step is very important, so make sure you enable and save it, or the Return Saver badge will not show up on your product pages or in the cart. The good news is that once it's turned on, you won't need to touch it again unless you update your theme. Finally, click Activate Campaign at the top. This will make your campaign go live on those products, unless you've set a future launch date. If you'd like to double-check how everything looks, click the preview icon next to any product in your list. From your online store, you'll see exactly how the campaign appears on the product page, cart notification, cart drawer, and cart page. And just like that, your campaign is live. That's it. That's how you set up a no-return discount campaign using Kiwi Return Saver. If you ever have questions or run into any issues, feel free to check out our help center or start a chat. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we hope your first campaign is a success.